Hello, good morning everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss a numerical problem on the graphs from the chapter Kinematics 1D. Let us see question. A ball is dropped vertically from a height d above the ground. It hits the ground and bounces up vertically to a height d by 2. Neglecting subsequent motion and air resistance, its velocity varies with height h above the ground as. How its velocity vary with h? Generally, a body dropped from certain height. We should analyze the problem. What happens slowly when it is coming down? Its velocity increases. Next, before collision with the ground, velocity increases, its velocity downward. After collision, it bounces up, it reaches to certain height, not total height d. At the same time, velocity upward, opposite direction, and velocity slowly decreases. Right? This is the concept behind that. As per that, we choose the graph. 4 graphs are given, which is correct. See, these graphs are drawn between velocity and h. Okay? Here, when body dropped, slowly velocity increases. After bounce, velocity decreases. At the same time, both velocities are opposite in direction. You see in this graph B and graph D, velocities are same directions. This is positive velocity, here negative velocity. So, these two velocities in the two graphs, same direction, these two are not possible. A and B not possible. Next, what about C and A? See which one is correct. You see, when it is coming down, velocity increases. That is acceleration produced. Under gravity, it is coming down. So, uniform acceleration. It is nothing but velocity increases. You see that relation, V and H relation. V square is equal to U square plus 2as. This from the u0, then what happens? V square is equal to 2gh. Right? This equation represent parabola. Equation of parabola. Parabola is not a straight line. It is curve. Right? At the same time, in downward journey, its velocity increases more. Right? You see these two graphs and curve. This is straight line. It not happens. You see this graph. Here from P to Q in this graph, velocity increases downwards when it is coming downward. Here downward velocity taken as negative. After the collision, upward velocity taken as positive. This is above. So, here its velocity decreases and it reaches to less height. This height d, this height it is given d by 2. Right? You see this. Now this point represent d. This point represent d by 2. Now velocities, one is negative downwards when it comes and velocity is positive when it goes upwards. You see it is reaching d by 2 height. This is coming from d height. Which graph is correct? First graph is correct. You see that conceptual explanation in this. Here downward velocity taken as positive. Downward velocity taken as negative, sorry, and upward velocity taken as positive. So that's why one velocity above the line, one velocity below the line. You see which graph is correct? Graph A is correct. Graph A is correct. It's showing parabola shaped graph and it satisfies our conditions and this equation. Then it gives complete meaning which obey the all conditions in the question. Have you got it? Thank you.